So when you go ahead and access out, let's say for example, a computer with multiple screens, then you can actually access their multiple monitors as well. For example, let me just go ahead and connect onto my laptop right here, just like this. And then what happens is that I will be able to go ahead and connect. So I do need to go ahead and enter out password. So let's just go ahead and then enter that out right here. So I'm just going to go around over here, just like this, and then enter out the password. So once I go ahead and do that, now you can see that it says starting remote session, and I can go ahead and view their monitor just like this. So now I am seeing only one of their screens. So let's say now what I want to actually do is view their second screen. So you can see that for that, as long as they have multiple monitors, maybe 2 or 3 monitors, you can go ahead onto switch monitor, and then you'll be able to go ahead and see their other monitor just like this. So you can go ahead and access this out, as you can see. So you can go around over here, click to switch the monitor right here, click on it again right here. So this is how you can go ahead and access out the multiple monitors that they may have right here on their computer. If you have more, then you'll have access to more in similar way. So that is simply how you can go ahead and use TeamViewers with multiple monitors as necessary. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.